Okay. So children, today we will learn something new about the sight words. List 4. So all of you open your course book volume 2, page number 15. See the first one. First word is drag. D-R-A-G, drag. Second word is trace. T-R-A-C-E, trace. Third word is count. C-O-U-N-T, count. Fourth one is give. G-I-V-E, give. Yes, Ritisha, what happened? Course book volume 2, page number 15.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, what happened, Shruti?
मैम एगला भी लिखा है.
Wait, I will tell you. Let me read first. Let me read all the words. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Exit. E-X-I-T. Exit. Middle. M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle. More. M-O-R-E. More. Greater. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater. Lesser. L-E-S-S-E-R. Lesser. Turn. T-U-R-N. Turn. Catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Write. R-I-G-H-T. Write. Mall. M-A-L-L. Mall. What is mall? Where you go to buy all the things. Okay, so it is called mall. Left. L-E-F-T. Left. U. Y-O-U. U. Going. G-O-I-N-G. Going. Might. M-I-G-H-T. Might. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. Fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. With. W-I-T-H. With. What. W-H-A-T. What. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. When. W-H-E-N. When. Thing. T-H-I-N-G. Thing. Why. W-H-Y. Why. W-H-I-T-E. White. Touch. T-O-U-C-H. Touch. N-E-E-D. Need. So here are some sentences which are made with the help of this giving words. Like, see the first sentence. Turn left after you exit the mall. Means you have to turn left side after you exit the mall. When you will exit, when you will leave the mall, exit means to leave some place. Okay, to leave the place or anywhere where you are. So it is called exit. Turn left after you exit the mall. Mall is the place where we go to buy everything, okay, for our needs, for our personal use, everything we go there and buy there. Turn left after you exit the mall. Now, second sentence, what is that? Count the greater number. See, count is also in the sight word. Count the greater number. Greater means bigger number. Do not touch the fire. Do not touch. Touch is also in the sight words. So we have made, here is the sentence. Do not touch the fire. Fire is also in the sight words. So do not touch the fire because we will get harm. Okay, so we should not touch the fire. So like that only you have to make the sentence. But before that, I will show you the animation. Just see here. See. All of you see. So these these are the sight words. Why? Why is the sight word. Drag. Drag is the sight word. Trace.
Trace.
Count.
Count.
Give. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Exit.
Exit.
Middle. Middle.
Middle.
More.
More.
Okay, children, all of you start writing.
Greater.
Greater. Write sight words in your copy, classwork copy. English classwork copy.
Lesser.
Lesser. Turn.
Turn.
Catch.
Catch.
Right.
Right.
Mall.
Mall.
What happened, Saina?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, what happened, Saina? Tell me, Saina.
যেটা দেখাচ্ছে ভিডিওতে সেটাই কি লিখতে হবে?
Yes, yes, all the sight words. Write in your copy. Write in your copy.
না যেটা বুকতে আছে ম্যাম।
Write in your copy. Yes, yes, that only. Sight words. Write in the copy. Start writing. Start writing.
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
Okay. Okay, Saina. You. You is also the sight word. Going.
Going.
Going. Might.
Might.
Food.
Food.
Fire.
Fire.
Keep.
Keep.
With. With.
With.
What?
What?
Where?
Where?
When we make the sentence with where are you going? Like that. We use where. When you are going. When we ask that also. Thing.
Thing.
This thing is beautiful. Why? Why? Why are you going? White. This white flower is very beautiful. Touch. Do not touch the fire. Need. What sentence we make with the need help of me? I need your help. I need your help. Like that. Okay, got it everyone? So these are the sight words. Okay. So all of you write and show me. Write in your copy and then show me. Okay. Very good, Afifa. Okay, very good, Afan and Afifa. Mahika, have you done, Mahika? Mahika, have you completed? Yes, Afifa, tell me. I can't hear you.
Yes, I completed.
Okay, very good. Yes, Mahika, read only any 5 words. Read any 5 words.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay, read any 5 sight words. Any 5.
Stop. Drug. Press. Count. Give. Stop.
Very good, Mahika. Okay. Niladri, have you finished? Niladri, any 5 sight words. Read any 5.
Dress. TRAEDD. COUNT. Count.
Okay, Niladri, very good. Prakriti, very good. Welcome. Prakriti, read any 5 words. Any 5 words.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good, Prakriti. Only 5 words. Read any 5 words. Any 5 words.
You. Boy. Start. Count. Stop. Catch. More.
Okay, Prakriti. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Salkeen. Very good. Salkeen, read any 5 words.
Completed.
Yes, very good. Salkeen, any 5 words read.
DRAG. Dog.
Drag.
TRACK. Dog.
Trace.
Cat. S. COUNT. Count.
Okay, very good, Salkeen. Very good. Zayan, have
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
completed? Welcome.
Thank
Zayan,
you, ma'am.
completed, Zayan? Zayan, read any 5 words. Okay, Zayan, very good. Very good. Afia?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello? Yes, tell me. Your voice is